Are you new to sewing? Let me tell you about my top 5 sewing tools that everyone needs. Coming in at number 5 is high quality sewing thread. This is a beautiful assortment by Madeira. You want good quality thread that is not too old because your sewing machine is going to love it and you are going to love the results. Coming in at number 4, if you have thread, you're gonna need a seam ripper because we all make mistakes and this guy is super helpful for that. Coming in at number 3, I'm not sure if I can emphasize this enough, but you are going to want a great selection of needles. You're going to want to change your sewing needle every 8 hours of sewing, when it breaks of course, when your machine skips stitches, and it's great to have a beautiful selection of all different sizes and types, so whenever you sit down and sew, you'll have the right needle for the job. Next up, at number 2, is a really good pair of scissors, right? These are beautiful scissors by Kai, and just hear that? You always want to use your sewing scissors only on fabric, never on paper, and they're going to last longer. And then finally, for number 1, this is my 3-in-1 here. You are going to want a mat, a ruler, and a rotary cutter. This will allow you to cut beautifully straight every single time. It even works great when you are sewing patterns and you want to cut curves. I love having a mat, ruler, and rotary cutter. If you are interested in any of these sewing tools or more, hop over to qualitysewing.com where we have all of these items on sale now.